This is going to be a good one. We're leaving Lago today. We've got 25 k's and probably more farmland and a couple of villages and a couple of towns to go through before we get there. But where's there, Peter?
We're going to see.
See what?
A sailor went to sea to see what he could see, but all that he could see was bottom of the deep blue sea.
I don't think we're talking about those seas.
Oh no, it's C-double-E. Sea.
Sea. We'll see you when we get to sea.
See you then.
Just dropped into a cafe. We could smell the coffee from far away. Cafe As Pias, and a well-earned break before we continue on the day. So we've just arrived at a bar, Au Costalino, and it's time to get some lunch. So most of the walk today has been through farmland again. It's been undulating. We've still got another probably 15 k's to get to our final destination in CEE, and but it's time now for a cerveza and something to eat. Okay, we've got our cervezas. Cheers.
Cheers.
Our second last day on the CAMiNO FiNiSTERRE.
Cheers.
Salud.
Cheers.
This mystic creature, Vacna, was used by the early church to discourage the practice of pagan rites here. The mystic figure was probably based on the sighting of a wild boar or bear that may have roamed these high moors. Bathroom, nice and big, spacious and clean. We like cleanliness. And then this is our bedroom with a view from our room. Well, we're back. We've just had an evening out for dinner at a pulperia, which was absolutely fantastic. We paid 15 euros each and we had drinks, octopus, squid, those little tiny green peppers and tortilla.
Mixed salad, tortilla, vino tinto.
And it was not only did we have a bountiful amount of food, but it was cooked very well to perfection.
It was lovely, very authentic meal. Anyway, we're in the...
So let's recap the day. We started off at Lago, where we stayed at an albergue. We commenced our walking through farmyards and it was quite undulating. We had lunch at
Ospitale. It wasn't a hospital, it was really just an inn.
For pilgrims on their way to...
but let's not get carried away. And then from Ospitale to where we are at CEE. Well, there's nothing in between. So don't hang out for a coffee, that's all I'm saying.
No, struggle to find cafes that were open. And even when coming into town...
There was nothing there and nothing open.
And even coming into town, there wasn't very much open at that time because we thought the first thing we wanted to do was hit a bar. We couldn't even do that.
Okay, but we're all now fed and we're about to rest. And after 28k today, we're a bit tired.
We'll give you a...
update in the morning.
See you in the morning.
See ya. Bye.
Bye.